Today we're going to install this 9th gen Mugen wing on the 9th gen Honda Civic Si. Alright, well, first thing we got to do is put it together. So this is everything it comes with. All the hardware kit and the fans on the side and nice little cool stickers to go on them. So we're going to go ahead and actually start with these. So I'm going to go ahead and place them in there. Alright, and I pulled both sides of the sticker. There's a clear side and a red side. So we're going to go ahead and take the red side off, then mount it onto that. Alright, there it is. And then we'll take this one off. Sweet. Now I'll go ahead and do the same thing to this one. Alright, now using the Phillips screws, not the one with the hex head on it, just the rounded head. We're going to go ahead and mount the side wing to the wing. So this is just going to simply go just like so. And then I'm going to need both hands to put in the screws, and then we'll secure them down. Then we'll do the same thing to the other side. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put in this little inserts here to prevent vibrations and noise from the wing. So I'm going to go ahead and punch these holes out, and then I'll take off one sticky side and place it in here. Alright, there it is on both sides. And there's the wing. Check it out. Not too shabby. But this kind of looks like for my 8th gen. Let's see if it'll fit the 9th gen. Alright, coming up to it, looks like the bolt holes should match. Maybe. We shall see. Yeah, the holes do not match. This pattern is opposite way. And even though two next to each other, there's no two next to each other. Alright, we're going to try to make this work because you know me. I always try to make shit work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just mark it here. Mark it here. Then I could just erase that with some acetone. And do the same thing here. Because what I am doing is I'm just making my marking points. I'm going to remove the double-sided sticky tape from underneath the wing. And I'm going to mount it onto here. And we're going to have to drill our holes. We're going to have to do something about that one. I think that will do. Hopefully it will. Make the holes here on the outside. I'll open up the trunk to see if we have access. And yeah, I think, yep, that'll work. So I'll just mark my holes and we'll make the holes. Alright, I have my holes pre-drilled, so now I'm going to do with this step. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Sweet. Now we'll see if we're able to put that wing on. Put the double-sided sticky tape back on the wing to line it up perfectly. Alright, there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt them down. Alright, and there it is. Whoa. Looks a lot better than I thought. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.